My buddy and I, we decided to make a new rock crawler course. We decided to make it challenging and tough. Maybe a bit too tough. Ooh, smells like my motor's burnt out. I'm going to take it to the shed, take it apart, and let's see what we find. Okay, let's begin with the troubleshooting. Okay, so let's begin by looking and searching for reasons why there was smoke coming out of the, well, I'm thinking it was the motor, but when I'm looking at the motor itself, I don't really see any issues with the motor. The only thing I'm seeing down here is that one of these cables is actually quite dark, so I'm thinking maybe I've got a connection problem. And on this side I kind of have a snapped off wire which was kind of still connected, making connection, but maybe not a very good one. So I'm definitely going to look into this wire, and I'm going to be looking into the actual motor connectors as well. So I need to take this bottom place out to get to the motor. I'm going to take these 4 screws off so that this plate here can come out. Now you can clearly see that there's quite a bit of black going on. There's quite a bit of a arcing situation. This is quite dark, just a bad connection. So what I'm going to be doing is re-soldering these 2 connections, and hopefully, and obviously this one as well. So I'm going to re-solder that, solder these 2, and hopefully we're going to have no more issues. Okay, the soldering is done. I actually got rid of these 2 old connections, this one here and this one. You can actually see that they pretty much, they were done. There was no way I was going to get a very good connection out of that. I'm going to reinstall the motor, and hopefully with the direct soldering and resoldering this little cap that goes directly onto the ESC, and hopefully with that we've resolved our overheating issues. So let's test if we are all in the clear. I still actually have my battery connected. That wasn't such a good idea. So here we go. Car's ready. Seems to be all okay. So let's take it out on the trail and see how the new connectors hold up. I'm thinking I won't have any more arcing down by the motor, that's for sure. So I don't think I'm going to have overheating problems, but maybe the motor has been in here for such a long time, for over 10 years. So maybe it's time to change the motor. Let's see how it performs on that trail. So the car survived this run, meaning that the motor's still fine and all the connections were actually just loose. So by soldering everything together, we solved the problem. So that's it for this week, my friends. Hope you enjoyed it. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to the channel and we'll see you guys next week. Ciao.